Ever wondered how games store player health, track scores, or change game states? It's all thanks to variables. In this video, we'll break down how variables work in GDScript so you can start coding your own games with confidence. Let's dive in. A variable is a container that holds data. Think of it like a labeled box where you store numbers, text, or even game objects. Here, player name holds a string, player score holds a number, and is alive holds a Boolean value. In GDScript, declaring a variable is simple. Just use var followed by the name of the variable. You can also initialize it with a value immediately. You can also change a variable's value at any time. Each data type has its own use case in game development. Here you see codes presenting different data types plus examples. Now you understand some about variables in GDScript. Use them to create awesome game mechanics. Want to take it further? Wait for the second part that has tips and tricks about variables. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next.